In this video, we'll be going through the process of how to connect ChatGPT to Etsy. And I'll be walking you through how it works, the things you can do with it, and the things you cannot do with it. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So, yeah, the main idea here is that you connect your ChatGPT to Etsy, and then it becomes this a shopping or market research assistant. So, and how would you make this work? First of all, you check ChatGPT to ensure that it's Etsy is properly installed in it, and then you open the chat, tag Etsy from the message box, and then you ask it a research prompt or to find things for you, find patterns, find templates, find prices or styles or niches, and then it gives you back a result. Returns listen ideas or comparisons or all the insights. Okay, so now let's dive into ChatGPT Live. Okay, so first of all, how do you install Etsy on your ChatGPT account? So let's go to apps. I search under apps, I search for Etsy. So I already installed this. So yeah, but of course I would show you how I did it here. So you come here and connect, and then you come here and connect. Of course, you would have to make sure you choose your permissions if it's a low risk, or if you wanted elevated risks. ChatGPT won't ask you before reading or taking action, and of course this comes with more risk. If you've chosen that option, then there's also another option of even further customizations, but you might not want to go through all of that. Yeah, so back to our chat. I came to the chat panel, and then it's choose at, and then I see Etsy. When I tag Etsy, I can now do things with it. So here I tagged it Etsy. What can I do with you? What can you do for me? And then it gives me different ideas. You could help me search for listings. You could show me product listing options. You can compare listings. You could, search competitors. You could do many things for me. And so let's test it out and see. Okay, so find me the best selling niches in digital products. The most recent. And now let's let it work. So based on the results are ready, and let's look through and see what the interesting results that this plugin has given us. So I asked it, find me the most recent best-selling niches in digital products on Etsy. And here we are. I have Notion templates, Canva different templates, and I could click to view this on Etsy. Yeah, and I could click to view this on Etsy. And let's see, printable. So if I click on view more, what happens? Okay. Interestingly, it gives me even a bigger breakdown of what the offers look like. Etsy Seller Hub. So this is some kind of, Notion templates for small businesses. All right, so let's go back. Printable wall art and nursery decor. So let me see. Okay. Yeah, all these are bundles of printable wall art. And so it also went ahead to even give me a more detailed information. So we have stronger digital product niches I found. Yeah, it summarized everything into a table. Yeah. So this is more of a market demand research, not guaranteed bestseller data. Wedding websites and digital invitations, printable nursery wall art, frame TV art, crochet flower bookmark, PDF patterns, Notion Live planners and dashboards, Canva social media branding kits. I've showed you how to connect your ChatGPT account to your Etsy, And I've also showed you how to use it as a personal assistant for research on your Etsy store. So now, in summary of everything that we've done so far, what can this Etsy plugin help you to do and achieve? First of all, yeah, it can help you to search Etsy listings, show product options and visual groups, compare listings. It could help you to research competitors and your positioning, find different product ideas for your store. But these are some of the things that it cannot do. It cannot edit your shop directly. It cannot upload listings for you or access like some kind of sales dashboard or give you guaranteed exact sales or bestseller numbers. So the best use of this connection is mostly for competitor research, for listening inspiration, for comparing prices, and then of course to finding ideas for the product that you're working on. Thank you for watching. I look forward to my next video. Bye.